Hello? Can you hear me? Okay. Um, this is a quick demo that I want to do of Drive Share. It's a new style of QR code sharing. The idea is you have a file, it'll generate a QR code to it, and then share that. Okay, to get started, we'll make sure you have Go running. Alright, now let's go. Okay. Drive -v. Let's go get that. Ooh, ouch. Drive gen actually, my bad. Alright. Now we'll do a drive gen. Okay, so let's see what version of drive we're running. Okay. So basically what this feature is you'll have a file and then depending on whether you want a QR code share it, because right now drive share will email a user and that kind of thing, but what happens if you want to access the file on your mobile phone? Obviously copying a link to it wouldn't be that easy. No, by the time you ask a user to copy down a link, they've given up already. Emailing it to yourself, what's the purpose of that? I mean, everyone who does like file sharing services, that's what they want to tackle, right? No one should be able, no one should have to mail themselves something. So yeah, this is a new experiment. So anyways, to do this, I'll show you two different configurations. So let me open up one terminal. I'll go to my GoPath, Decan, drive server. So in order to get this running, I'll need to have my drive server running right here. So I'll just do first of all a go get of drive server. Once that's done, let's do a quick test here. Drive server, right? So you see that? It says you need to set this in your env. So to do that, I'll just quickly drive pub key right here, and I'll also set up the drive server private key right here. You'll configure these depending on what you want. And then let's see, what port do we want it running on? Drive server port 808. Okay, and then let's run drive server. Alright. Okay, so that's running on localhost. Actually, to make this gettable from anywhere else, let me just grab my IP. 1149. Host. Okay, that's running right there. And now, I need to drive share this. Actually, I'll just get this from one of my other machines, since I don't want to have to set up authorization. Or you know what? Maybe let me just do it. Hell no. I'll just do this. I don't want to expose my private information right at a demo. I should have set this up earlier. .gd. Okay. Let's see. Okay. And then so let's say drive list vines. See what we get. Okay. So we have a couple of videos here. I'm gonna pull. Yeah. I'm actually gonna say drive QR, and I'll give it the address. HTTP 192.16.808 on let's say Vic Mensa down on my luck. Alright. So you see that didn't fly for one reason. Notice that the public keys didn't match up, right? You have to make sure that they match up, and this is a way that you'll be able to verify that you know actually who you're talking to. So in order to do that, let's set these up right there. We'll do the exact same thing. Actually, hold up. Right there. Okay. What does that give us? There you go. So it generated the QR code. I wish I could show you what it looks like when I scan it, but here we are. Oh, let me also just make sure it's accessible in my phone. I'll just publish it. And moment of truth. You should hear music playing in the background. Let me scan it. Unable to process video. Let's see with my phone. Let's test this out. It might have not been processed. Okay, it wasn't yet. Let's do a drive list again. Vines. Let's try these nuts. Okay. Or maybe not. Yeah, sure. Let's try these nuts. And let's even test it out. Make sure we can open that. We just gotta. Ouch, that was loud. So anyways, that can open up. Let me try opening it up on the secondary devices. That works. Okay. There it opened. Okay, let me play it. We just got a letter. We just got a letter. Wonder who it's from. These nuts. Yeah. Got it. Got it. Anyways, that completes my demo. Now let me show you actually this running on a way different server. Um, in order to do that, let's SSH into my other machine. So yeah, you could run this off Heroku, off Google App Engine, whatever. Drive server. Let's do the exact same thing right here. Except note that we're in way two different IPs. So the IP address for this one is 114. This guy is 113. So that's the only difference that we'll have. I'll highlight this. Let's go get that. Okay, we're good to run. Now we'll just set this to 13. Okay, so that's running right there. And now, here, let's open this up again. Now this time it's on 1113. 113. Ah, there we go. Voila. And notice in here on my other computer, just open right. And I'll test it again. Yep. We just got a letter. We just got a letter. We just got a letter. Wonder who it's from. These nuts. Anyways, so as you could see, you could run this off any different server. Just have to make sure that the private keys and public keys match, because what it does, it performs an HMAC. So what it does, it concatenates your public private key and the file URL plus generation time, then some entropy attribute that's added in. Generates a signature. That signature is sent along with the public key, the file URL, and the entropy values and that kind of thing. The private key isn't sent. So this way, it's pretty much just a challenge based protocol, right? Only signatures are compared. If they match, then it will generate for you. This QR code. Quick test without the same. Let me just make sure this is running. Drive server host. I'll keep it at the same IP, but now we'll make them run in different public keys and private keys, right? This way, now if I run this again, should give me an invalid. Yeah, there we go. Yeah. Or no. Oops. That was 10. Okay. I'll supply this with 10. Okay. Alright, yep. Told me, yep. Invalid public key. Neither is it the same private key. So I hope that clears everything up and sort of gives you an idea of the utility of this. Thank you for watching.